Servus and welcome to Flo's German Kitchen. I'm Flo, this is my kitchen, and I show you how to cook the German way. Today we're making an East German classic Wurstgulasch, sausage goulash. Obviously the main ingredient for a Wurstgulasch is Wurst, the sausage. Also we use some bacon, tomato puree, a chopped onion, some broth. I use beef broth. You can also take vegetable or chicken broth or whatever, just broth, and a couple of spices, tomato paste, and of course a good guzzle of German beer. Wunderbar. The sausage I'm using today is Leona Bologna. The original would be Jagdwurst. But Jagdwurst is something that's not common in the south of Germany, so I can't buy it at a shop. And I didn't have time to make it myself. When you want to make it original, there is a recipe on how to make Jagdwurst. You can watch the video here. It's great stuff. So what we do first is to dice the sausage. And the size isn't very important. You just want small pieces. We're gonna fry them later. Now, why make a goulash out of sausage when you can make a real goulash? Well, East Germany used to be a socialist dictatorship, and so the main ingredient for everything they cooked was scarcity. And so they had to be creative to just make recipes where they can have something tasty made out of scarcity. And as good meat was rare, they would use Wurst for the goulash. And I already made a video on East German Jägerschnitzel. You can watch it here. That's one classic, and the Wurstgulasch is another classic that would be served in East German school canteens. And kids actually loved it. So preparations are already done. Next thing is to fry the whole stuff. For that, of course, I need my stove, and that's what I'm gonna get now. Here we are. The oil is hot already, so I start putting the onions and also the bacon. As usual, I'm not applying too much heat. This is 160 Celsius. And what I want to do is just, let the onions sweat. No real roast flavors, just make them sweat. And I add the sausage a little later because that's cooked already. That also just shall get a little crust. Yeah, but that's a good time to start. So you can see behind me, I've already set up another pot with hot water to cook the noodles. This is a pretty quick recipe because it doesn't contain raw meat. You don't have to cook it for hours. The sausage is cooked already. Everything's cooked, so we can get to the next step. And that's adding the tomato paste. We want to give that a slight roast. And also, I add some sugar to caramelize it. As I said, this is something that was served in school canteens. And if you want kids to like your stuff, just make it a little sweet. That always works. Now I deglaze that with the stock. And also add the tomato puree. So this is cooking nicely. I add the spices. First is a good heaping teaspoon of salt, a heaping teaspoon of sweet paprika powder, and a teaspoon of ground pepper. that's already it. The sauce is not cooking because some meat needs to get cooked or anything, but I want to reduce it a little. It's quite a thin sauce, but what you can also do, and I've made that already, is to make a little slurry of starch and water and just add that to thicken the sauce. So this is done. The noodles still need a couple of minutes. This is a good time for you to do me a favor. If you want to help me make this the #1 place of German cooking on YouTube, now is a good time to like the video, to leave a comment, to subscribe to my channel, and just show YouTube that this is good content, and make YouTube show it to more people and help this channel grow. We can make this together.
A few moments later.
So here we have it, a nice plate of East German Wurstgulasch. Yep, this is great. Definitely, this is not one of the most sophisticated recipes, but it's simple, it feeds your kids, and I'm sure kids love it. It was supposed to be served in school canteens, so yeah, great stuff. Let's not celebrate the scarcity of socialism, but let's celebrate simplicity, celebrate German cuisine. Cheers on German cuisine, cheers on East German Wurstgulasch. Wunderbar.